$8,000 for literally copying images. I'm going to show you a legit way you can start earning hundreds of dollars in passive income just by doing something as simple as to copy and paste images online. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Well, if you're seeing this face for the first time, hi, I'm glad to have you here. So if we go ahead and add 599 and times that by 5,482, you can see that this guy has made millions of dollars from this strategy, and it's totally insane. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple steps that you could start earning hundreds of dollars in passive income just by doing something as simple as to copy and paste free images online. I know that this might sound like one of those clickbait videos, but trust me, it is not, because it's something I just started doing myself and it's totally legit. And the good part of it is that it doesn't require money to get started. You don't need any skills or experience to get started. All you need is your phone or your laptop to start making hundreds of dollars just by following these 3 steps I'm about to share with you. So let's dive right into it. As you all know, one of the most common ways to find images is to just go on Google and type in the keyword, and you see a lot of images pops up. Now the problem is we can't actually use most of these images. Why? Because it is copyright protected. But we can then go ahead and look into places like public domain. You can then find images on public domain for any of our projects, or even use it to earn money through this process without any copyright issue. So moving on to the steps of finding these images, let's go to Google right now and type in public domain pictures website, and here you can see lots of them pops up, and I'll be using this particular one here called free-images.com. You could see right here that there are lots of images right here. From the search function, it has stock image, black and white, vector, fine art, illustration, and they're all for free usage without any consequences. So let's go to fine art and search the word sunset painting. So from my research, this is really making tons of money, so we are going to use it for the video and how to make money with it. Following step-by-step method I'm going to show you, as you don't want to miss out in any of the steps. Well, I like this particular one, so I'll go ahead and download it in the original format. So now that we have our image, what's our next steps? You may ask, what do we do next? Well, our second step is actually to enhance this image using a free online photo editor. This step is not really necessary, because I as well just go ahead with this image and start making money with it. But then we want to enhance it. We'll just add some effects. We don't need to do any other thing. So the next thing we're going to do right now is to go back to Google and search for free photo editors. You're going to use this particular one called photofilters.com. All we have to do is to come to file here, opened, and then you upload the image. So after you're done uploading your image, you just have to play around with any of these effects to enhance the image. So we'll just go ahead, and I'm going to use this particular one right here. You can see that our image has been enhanced. So just go back to the same file, come down here and saved your image. Now that we have our image and we've kind of enhanced it, what's the next step? How do we go about making money with this strategy altogether? Well, it's very simple, and I'm going to show you that in this step, which is to actually sell this specific image. You want to go to a website called Etsy.com. Well, if you don't know what Etsy is an online marketplace that sells lots of products, like physical products, digital products, wall art, etc. They sell a whole lot of things, and we're going to use Etsy in this strategy. So keep watching, because there's another element to this, so that you can squeeze out a lot of profits from this particular strategy. So now we'll go to Etsy. As I said, we clicked on arts and collectibles, click on painting. Here you can see all sort of paintings of different prices and different sizes and different styles. And take a look at this particular one. It's really beautiful, and these guys are selling it for $500.99. Wow, that's a massive amount of money, and this has made over 5,482 sales so far with lots of amazing reviews. These guys are making tons of money just from this design. So now you might have figured out how and what we are going to do with this image, but the question you may have in mind could be, how do we exactly go ahead and sell these images as canvas? Well, it's pretty simple with this website called Printful. Well, if you don't know what Printful is a print-on-demand company that allows you and I to upload any of our designs on their products, such as t-shirts, bags, mugs, and artworks such as this one. and then they will ship your product to your customer without you having to worry about anything. So you can actually sign up for a free Printful account using my referral link on the description box below. And when you go ahead and create your account, this is what you're going to see. It should look something like this, and it's very self-explanatory. It walks you through the steps of what you need to do. So first of all, just click on design product, then click on this here, which is create your first product. And where we're going to be focusing on it, this section right here, which is home and living. And then we will click on wall art. So here you could see varieties of canvas to choose from, but we'll go for this particular one here with the frame. I just like this one. So I'll open up the design tool, and this is where we can actually upload our design and choose the size. And then you go ahead and upload the image that we downloaded earlier. You might want to take time to resize this so that it fits perfectly. And when you're all done, scroll down, continue and save. So now you can actually click on this preview to see how it is, and also these mockups right here. You can use these mockups for your Etsy listing to be able to list your design and start earning money. So it will also show you how to connect your store with Printful. So what you're going to do is to click on this integration right here. If you haven't done so already, click on online marketplace. Here you could see Etsy, Amazon. You could see different online marketplaces that you could connect your account to and start making sales. But here you could see Amazon, eBay, you could see Shopify, you could see other marketplaces, but we're going to focus on Etsy for now. So you could just click on connect, and it will then connect to your Etsy shop automatically. It doesn't take any long process. So you go ahead and connect with your Etsy shop you created earlier and start listing your images for sale. You can see that this process is totally easy, and you can make sales over and over again with this process. So in summary, our first step is to get our free image from a public domain website. Second step is to enhance the image. Third step is to create a Printful account. You can do that using my referral link on the description below, and then you go ahead to connect to your Etsy shop. So when you're done listing your product, anyhow you want to sell it, you could add your own price, but be aware that Printful are going to take their own commission and shipping fee as well, as they're the one that will handle all those things. So always have that in mind when you're setting up your price, so that you could squeeze out a lot of profit as well. And if you don't have any idea on how to get your design to be on the top rank, what I recommend is just go on YouTube and search on Etsy rank. There are a lot of tutorials here that's going to show you exactly how you can do your search engine optimization on Etsy, and you could literally go and sell these images with this simple strategy and start making money passively right from the comfort of your home. As simple as this. So I hope that you've learned from this different approach to start making passive income online. So just jump on the train and start making money right away. But if you're still looking for more ways to make money online, you can click on this video right here. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please kindly subscribe and support the channel. Turn on your notifications so that whenever I bring content like this, which might also interest you, you will be notified. And also leave a like and share your thoughts in the comment section below. I will really appreciate that. I hope to see you in my next video, as I'll be signing out. Peace.